Guys, and welcome to Zero Risk Forex. This is video number 4. Today I've been struggling to make this video because I've been feeling a bit rough. But yeah, I thought let me just try and get it done anyway. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, it's called Zero Risk Forex because our risk management strategy is based on calculating the distance from our entry price to zero. That's how we calculate our lot sizes. How do we decide to enter trades? We use this indicator down here called the Williams R percentage. Now, if you looked into our last video, we went into the USD JPY trades on that signal over there. I think it was video number 2. We were at that level. Video 3 were at that level, and at the end of last week, where the price is today, is all the way up there. So, yep, I've exited that trade now. We also did the NAS. It's currently, in my last video, I think it was about that level. During the week, it went up to that level, took some profit, went back into the trade. I don't know why I did, but I did anyway. Went back into the trade. So the market's pulled back a bit, but I think it's going to pull back up during this week. So I'm looking forward to that. Right, current account size. This is what I'm trading at the moment. I've got 3 NAS positions on the buy side. That's currently minus, but like you know, I hold my trades. We don't use stop losses because the risk management, the only way I lose is if the price is 0. Current account balance is 302. That's gone down from where we were last week. If we go to our Excel sheet, video number 3, which was last week, the account balance was 336. Current balance is about there. So what I'm going to do is, let's take all that back to, I'm going to set that back to black, unbold all those, and put that across, what are we, 302. Yep, so I'm going to put that about here for week number 4, 304. So I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to put that there. So even though we've pulled back 10%, we've pulled back this week. Like I said, I haven't really lost those trades. I'm still holding on to those trades. I'm just going to wait for the market to push up. The only downside is the rollover charges, but this is things you have to deal with in the Forex market when you deal with assets that are negative rollover. So that's where we're at the moment. That's video 1. That's video 2, week 2. This is video 3. So I'm going to mark this as week 4. Okay. And all I'm going to do is copy this comment and paste it right inside here. Put it as week number 4. And just correct the dates to the 27th of the 10th. Right, so we've started with a £250 balance, which was started on the 30th of September this year. And we're trying to compound it by 2.5% every single week. And we're trying to do that 250 times, compounding the profit, and hopefully by the 250th time, that should be the balance. But what you should bear in mind is if we can achieve it sooner, for example, what do I mean by that? This is where we are today, week number 4, 304. But going by the start date, the 4th week, which is week ending, this should be where we were for the end of last week. And this is where we are supposed to be for the end of this coming week, which will be the 1st of the 11th. But we're already here. So basically, we're already here, even though we got to this point. But it happens in trading. But the main thing is we're still in progress. And one thing you have to bear in mind is this is a £250 account, right? We've made 2.5%. If this was a £2,500 account, it's the same philosophy, right? That 2.5% will probably be $62, right? And by now, that means our balance would have been £3,040, £3,000, over £3,000. If that was a 25k account, that would be over 30 grand we're looking at. So within a week, maybe a few weeks, you've made over, do you understand? You've made over 6-7 grand. So, or probably more, I don't know. You do the maths. So the point is you're always trying to make 2.5%. You want to become a specialist at making 2.5%. And once you become a specialist at making 2.5%, it's now a question of how many times can you do that 2.5% within a week or within a month. Okay, so that's the idea. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm feeling a bit rough today. Hopefully, I promise we're going to do a better video next week. All right, guys, so I will leave it there for now. Current balance is 30283, down from our previous week's balance, which was 336. Okay, so we'll leave it there. This is where we are for this week, and please subscribe and follow me on this journey where I'm trying to do this thing 250 times. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Ciao.